I stepped away from my busy routine and set out to find the refreshing comfort of 충청북도's nature. Here, where waves, forests, and breezes come together, I encountered a new breath of life. Now, let me share with you the refreshing destinations I discovered in Chungbuk. The first place I visited was Chungju's blue jewel, Chungju Lake. The vast lake shifts its colors with the wind, painting a scene where each season seems to linger. A lone boat drifting by leaves behind gentle ripples, waves that quietly touch my heart. Especially Crocodile Peak of Chungju Lake, resembling a crocodile lying on the water, completed the uniqueness of this landscape. Here I found the burdens of daily life washed away, and a dream of a fresh beginning awakened. Next, I traveled to 의림지 Reservoir in Zhiyun, a place that holds 1,000 years of tranquility. The reflection of forest and sky upon the water appeared like a serene watercolor painting. At 의림지, I also witnessed the lively scene of thunder ducks swimming freely, while duck boats floating on the lake added a unique charm to the tranquil waters. Here I felt the enduring value of peace and rest that transcends time. My third destination was Hwayang Valley in Gosan, a deep gorge filled with refreshing waters. Its cool waters wove between rocks, singing a song so clear and pure. In the shade of the dense forest, small waterfalls refreshed me with their cool sounds. Here, where wind, water, and forest harmonize, I fully experienced nature's purest form of rest. The final stop of my journey was 옥천화인산림욕장 Forest Bath, a place filled with the fragrance of the woods. Sunlight streaming through the trees sparkled like jewels of the forest, lighting my path. The fresh air filled my lungs and cleared my mind. Within the breath of the forest, all noise disappeared, leaving only the sounds of nature. The blue waves and forest fragrance of 충청북도 lightened my heart. Though today's journey has ended, its refreshing memories will remain within me for a long time. 충청북도 will always be waiting for me, a land of rest and healing.